In this video, I'll show you how to add additional members to AAA auto insurance online. And if you're new to AAA, we'll include our referral link in the description below so you can sign up and start enjoying member benefits right away. To start, open the website, acg.aaa.com. Then click on Sign In. Next, on the fields provided, enter your user ID and password. Then click on Sign In. Once you're signed in, you will see several tabs at the left side of the screen. Click on the tab that says Manage AAA Membership. Then on the drop-down list, click on the option that says Add a Member. On this page, scroll down a little. Then you will see a section for Additional Member. In the fields provided, enter all the necessary information about the additional member you wish to add, such as their first and last name, email address, mobile number, date of birth, and their relationship with you. Once entered, click on Next. Lastly, in the fields provided, enter all the necessary payment information needed. You will be provided the option to automatically renew your AAA membership. If you wish to do so, click on the checkbox beside the text that says your AAA membership is automatically renewed each year to the payment card you provided. Otherwise, just leave the box unchecked. Then click on Submit Payment. That's how you add additional members to your AAA auto insurance online. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.